And of course, guys, I know it's designed for a picture light, as you guys can see. You can design this and mount it different positions. So when we go ahead and screw it down, as you guys can see, it works perfectly for pictures. Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this LED light. So this is a light that you can use on your computer. You can also use it other areas as well. Pretty much you can get creative, and you could use this for a reading. There's a lot of different uses for this. So let's go ahead and show you guys what everything looks like. Alright guys, so this light is used for, like I keep saying, for multiple uses. It rotates completely. So what you do is you mount this on a desk or, another position. So let's pretend this is your desk or wherever, work desk, whatever. You would mount it like this. So you'd screw in right on the top, and then you can rotate this down, up, however you want. It's good for a workbench, it's good for a desk, it's good for a computer. You could do it on a monitor as well. I've seen people actually bend this bracket and then use 3M tape to seal it on your monitor. There's many things that you can do, different positions for it. Let's go ahead and see what else you get. So you get a manual, you get the screws, you get a controller. So you get a controller with a holder as well. So here's a controller. You can set the light, brightness, time, modes, whole bunch of different things. So let's go ahead and set this up, show you guys what it looks like. All right guys, so this is the brightness. So as you guys can see, super bright, and we still need to connect the controller. So for the controller, you just take out the power, you plug it in the one end, you plug in the second ends in here. Now it's connected, and now you go and pull this off from the controller. Now you can control this on and off. So wherever it's positioned, let's see, you got brightness. So you can make it really dim to basically almost off. And you can up that brightness. Super bright. You can quick jump. Time it. You have different modes. So all those different modes here. So the speed, you can change the speed per mode. So if you want it slower, faster, you can go ahead and do that. You can then press light on here if you just want it for the light. So overall, now if we lift it high, you guys can see the difference here. Lifting it up, turn it off, on. So it lights up very bright, lights up a very bright area. Overall, it's a nice light. And of course, guys, I know it's designed for a picture light, as you guys can see. You can design this and mount it different positions. For us, we are going to put 2 screws down in, so it's going to show the picture much better. But I just wanted to give you guys so many different ideas that you can use this light with. So when we go ahead and screw it down, as you guys can see, it works perfectly for pictures. If you didn't have the light facing there, it would look horrible. So with the light, and all you have to do is just drill holes down. So we need to take our picture off and mount it and put it in, but there's so many options with this light. You can use it for so many applications.